bonding. Now, what long hair bonding is, you know, traditionally with traditional non-surgical hair replacement, we have to remove your hair and apply the piece. But long hair bonding is the no shave technique, where we can still give you a nice piece on the top without removing your hair. Now, this mannequin purposely has hair that is not the same color, and it doesn't have to be in your face like that, but it is an option. And we can have longer pieces, and you can swim and shower in it. You can have pieces as long as 18 and 22 inches. So that is an option. It's great. You can still shampoo it. It has a nice natural look. So yes. Also, with long hair bonding, even though this mannequin has little hair in the front, you don't have to. And you can still have the piece applied. You can still shampoo. You can still get on a roller coaster. You can still date. You can still do a lot of different things with the long hair bonding. It's a really nice, high quality pieces. Really great service. Yeah, I'm a fan of it. I think a lot of my clients love it. Yeah, and that is an option as well. So yes, long hair bonding is amazing.